Cool. Let's take a look. The next option down, we're going to jump back into campaigns, which we looked at earlier. So let me switch over to my separate site where I've got some campaign sites active. Let's see, these are quite old campaigns, so I'm not sure if the site will still load, but let's take a look. This is a global setting, which you're going to find under the website section of your admin area, and then you'll click into campaign settings. And it's the option all the way at the bottom, show shopping cart. We're going to switch that over to yes, and then see if we can load our campaign site. Full stores, full affiliate stores, or even your main site displays this little cart icon in the site header. And when you click on that, a little side pop-up opens up that displays whatever items you have in your cart. So the new option that we've added is the ability to display that same shopping cart icon on campaign sites, which makes sense now that we have the ability to add more than one product to a campaign site. So that way the user can track which items they've already added to the cart and proceed to checkout from there. So we won't be able to preview it. Even the newest campaign that I have is quite old here, so it's not going to fully load the site. But yeah, we can just kind of preview it here on my main site. It's essentially the same functionality. You'll see the cart icon appear in the header, and clicking that cart icon will open up the sliding cart list. So definitely a good improvement for campaign sites.